Tired of WooCommerce slowing down your site? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to build a fast, clean, and fully functional online store in WordPress without any unnecessary bloat. Perfect for selling both digital and physical products. Let's get started. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type aBlocks. Click Install, then activate the aBlocks plugin. Next, let's import a pre-built online store template. Go to aBlocks Templates from your dashboard. At the top, filter by eCommerce to see templates designed specifically for online stores. Click Preview on any template to explore it. You'll see well-designed sections like hero banners, featured products, about and contact info, testimonials, calls to action, and more. Once you've chosen your template, click Start Import. Check the box that says Import with Images to bring in full demo content, then click Import Now. In seconds, your complete store will be imported and ready to go. Click Visit Website to see it live, modern, professional, and fully responsive. Let's customize it. Click Edit on the homepage to open it with the WordPress block editor. With aBlocks 60+ Gutenberg blocks, you can customize layouts, colors, and content easily. No technical skills required. Start by selecting the Product section. Click the section and open the Settings panel. Set a background color or image that matches your brand to help the section stand out. Next, increase the top and bottom padding to create more breathing space. You can also adjust the column gap or layout for a cleaner look. Now scroll down to the Testimonials section, created using the aBlocks carousel block. Let's customize it. Turn on autoplay so testimonials slide automatically. Enable pause on hover so users can read without interruption. Update the navigation icons, tweak the size, color, or style to fit your site's look. When you're done customizing, hit Save to apply all changes. Click Preview to see your updated homepage. The product section now looks polished, and testimonials add strong, interactive social proof. Marca de seleção branca outro. And that's it. You've built a modern, fully functional online store in WordPress without WooCommerce bloat. With aBlocks, you get speed, flexibility, and beautiful design. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.